Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, today's video is a must-watch. We're tackling how to send ETH from Venmo in 2025. With advancements in fintech, Venmo might soon make sending Ethereum as easy as splitting a dinner bill. Let's jump right in. First off, by 2025, Venmo could have integrated crypto features, so start by ensuring your app is updated to the latest version. This is crucial for accessing new tools and maintaining security. Step 1. Link your crypto wallet. Head to the settings in your Venmo app, find the cryptocurrency section, and connect your Ethereum wallet. You might need to verify your identity. Think of it as a quick safeguard against scams. Step 2. Add ETH to your Venmo balance. You can purchase Ethereum directly through the app using your linked bank account or debit card. Keep an eye on current market prices to get the best deal. Step 3. Now, to send ETH, navigate to the Send or Transfer menu. Select the cryptocurrency option, choose ETH, and enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this address. It's like your crypto's home address, and one wrong digit could send your funds into the void. Step 4. Review the transaction details, including any network fees, and confirm the send. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation notification, and the transaction will process on the Ethereum blockchain, which usually takes a few minutes. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication and be wary of phishing attempts. Crypto can be exciting but volatile, so only send what you're comfortable losing. There you have it, folks. You're now equipped to send ETH from Venmo in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.